Hello, medical writers, health writers, scientific writers. You are listening to the second video of the video series, Marketing Mastery for Medical Writers. I have recently conducted a survey about what is it about marketing you medical writers want to learn the most. Surprisingly, the number one topic was why medical writers fail to grow on LinkedIn. So that's what we are going to talk about. In this video, I will share why medical writers particularly fail to grow on LinkedIn or any other marketing platform, and it's tailored to us. It's not some general advice that works for any professional. Let's get into it. The reason we fail to grow on LinkedIn is that we give up too quickly. Now, how quick is too quick? When you implement a tactic, shall you wait for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months? LinkedIn has world's most silence behind the scene audience. And while you may think that you are not getting noticed, if you check your analytics, you will see how many profile visitors were there, how many post impressions your post got. It's not only about someone actively or visibly engaging with you. A lot happen behind the scene. A lot of full-time employees, they will not engage because they don't want to show their activities to their co-workers, but they are there. They are seeing you, reading you, if you are writing content tailored to them. The goal for my LinkedIn is to attract prospects. And when I first time started to consistently engage on LinkedIn, the first month it brought me followers, profile viewers, and some people told that, oh, they liked my post, but it didn't bring any prospect. But as I knew that it may take some time and the algorithm needs to see what you are doing consistently before it presents you to your network, I knew that I had to give more time. I was decided that I would see until 6 months and then probably change my tactics. But within 6 months, I think I had enough connections, followers, enough decision makers in my network. And also I was hearing good things from them, that they liked my idea about certain topics. That helped me to create conversation with them, to show them what I know and what I could do for them. And that's the goal of LinkedIn, to attract them. And then you need to do rest of the work so that from prospect they become your client.